How are we doing today, people? My name is Justin and this is Rustin Repair Garage. Today we're going to be doing a couple of things. I'm going to be installing a new upper steering column in my truck, and as well as a steering column bearing. And if I have time, I'm going to attempt to get this hitch receiver out just in case I need to use a different one. Because I will be getting this truck kind of prepared for a trip. I'm going to be picking up a vehicle in Kentucky on the 20th, so I'm going to have to drive about 2,000 miles total. So today we're going to do some just repairs and general maintenance. Probably going to grease up the front end, all the ball joints and whatnot, but first we're going to do the steering column. Shouldn't be too bad. First thing I'm going to do is get the steering wheel locked in so it won't move while I'm working on it, because once I disconnect it, this is going to be all loose. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just snugging up the steering wheel so it's not going to move with the seat. I feel like I should be able to get that tighter, but so first thing I'm going to have to get, I don't know if you can see right there, but that is the steering wheel column bearing, and that's the upper part, and there is a 15mm nut on there. But first I'm gonna actually disconnect it from the engine side first. Which, my truck, it's gonna be a little bit of a pain, because as you can see, this engine isn't small, but right in there, it's hard to see, but that's where the other part is. I'm gonna have some stuff in my way, but you should be able to get it out. One out. Then I'll be golden. But if I can't wear gloves because it's making my hands too slippery. Get this on there again. 19th time. Gets one of these to move, I can always just replace the bolt. I think it's getting there. Well, not a lot of fucking room in here, though, I tell you that. I need more engine. There we go. There we go. Now, is it actually coming off, though? That's where it is right there. Now I'm trying to get it going. It's just very, very slow, because I can only move so much at a time. This is about as far as I can move it each time. And then I just keep dropping the ratchet. Oh, now I can get it by hand. Yep, there we go. Got it. Hell yeah. Oh, no wonder I was having a tough time. Alright, well, that was the tough one out, so it was just ratcheted onto the wrong side. I'm gonna put this back in together, don't lose that. So that was the hard one. The inside one should be easier. And why it's not wanting to get on there for me. I don't know why. Because there's no way in hell for me to get this on there otherwise. Camera in here. I don't really have much room. Yep, it's coming now. This is gonna be a real pain in the ass to get back together. I'll tell you what. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be working on, getting that out. Not much I can really do. Camera. So I'll just start recording once I get that bolt out. Okay. Got the other bolt out. Now just gotta get the column out. It should be as simple as wiggling it off and down. That might work actually. See if I can just push it a little bit with this. There we go. When in doubt, pry bar. Now I should be able to just pull it through the firewall here. Hopefully. This part is going to be slightly annoying. It's free. I was just getting it past. Actually, can I push it out that way? Or no? No, it's got to come up through this way. Much room do we even have? Not much. There's no way that's gonna fit through there. Alright, so I wasn't able to get the steering column out. It's just where it connects at the bottom. It's too rusty. I don't have enough room to work or too much time. But at least we'll be able to change out the steering column bearings, which these aren't bad, but I got the new part, so might as well just change it. And what the fuck, dude? I just can't get a good grip on it anywhere. It's so close to going in. It's getting there. Remember to line up these prongs. And she's in. Woo! Man, that was a pain in the ass. Tell you what. Okay, now let's reattach that. Yeah, that was a pain in the ass, but the new one's in there. Tighten back up, and now, yeah. Guess I'll just grease the front end and start working on that hitch receiver. Now we are going to attempt to get this out. Oh yeah, even that got rusted in. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get a screwdriver for that.
Screwdriver? Yeah. What is this for?
A pry bar, buddy.
Oh, I didn't know that. Is this a hammer again? Hammer.
That's a pry bar.
Oh. What? A big as sharp as ever. Man, that looks kind of serious.
Okay. Step one.
Step one.
Got that out.
You got that out. Oh.
Yeah, sorry, it's gonna be loud, buddy.
I will close my ears.
You doing, Goober? Alright, that's gonna do it for today's video. Didn't get too much done, just got the steering wheel bearing column in. The steering column bearing in. Can't speak. Tried getting this out, but I need an acetylene torch. I mean, this thing has been in there since I've had the truck. It just does not want to budge. It's really stuck in there. Hopefully I won't have to get it out and I can just use that. But if not, I'm gonna have to think of something because I don't have much time. But yeah, that's it for today, and I will try to have an update next week. Thanks for watching.